Good morning, all of you. I am Dr. Moinudduin, Principal of the Science Institute of Technology, Ibrahimpatnam. I am professionally a teacher with about 24 years of experience in electrical and electronics engineering. I have found the initiative of JNTU Hyderabad in taking up e-classes with the eLSDM Globarena program, and I have found that the eLSDM Globarena program is very good, where the programs are scheduled with interacted with through a portal created by JNTU Hyderabad and eLSDM, where the faculty member as well as the student can be able to log in and they can be able to access the e-contents. The entire e-content is designed purely as per the JNTU curriculum, where one can be able to see a lot of videos, animations, notes, as well as objective type questions, where the student can be able to interact with the objective type questions and can be able to get evaluated. The faculty himself can be able to log in individually and he can be able to set his own question paper. We are using this eLSDM Globarena program initiated by the JNTU Hyderabad effectively in our college. We have a dedicated video cam audio system, and students very often sit and they have an e-class session and it is being effectively used. The advantage what I can be able to see in this eLSDM portal is it is accessible 24 hours into 7 days in a week, and the student can be able to even port it onto his or her mobile phone, and it can be easily accessible even during transport when the student possibly travels from one place to other place. And I have seen that the eLSDM Globarena people have taken an initiative in making video shoots. The video shoots are being conducted either at JNTU Hyderabad or at the office of the Globarena, where you have a hi-fi equipment which capture the videos of senior professors in different streams of electrical, electronics and computer science engineering, and anticipate that the rest of the departments of electrical, mechanical engineering, civil engineering, etc. are going to also come up in the near future. The amount of money which is being spent in this such kind of a program is very huge, and it is expected that full utilization of this amount has to be there, where the private engineering colleges they have to utilize it, and the students as well as the faculty has to utilize it effectively. I myself had the privilege and honor to have given video lectures on electrical measurements. About 4 hours of video lectures was given by me, and the video lecture is not an offline video lecture, but it is purely an online interactive video lecture, where in the sessions what I had about 13 engineering colleges interacting with me. I was sitting at the JNTU Hyderabad video shooting office, and the students who has interacted me happens to come online through internet facility. I have interacted with the students of Khammam, Medak district, students of Karimnagar districts. So these students, actually I found they have a lot of zeal to learn. However, because of the deficit possibly of the faculty members, junior faculty members possibly should have been given lectures. Once they found a senior faculty member is giving lectures, and when they have understood, they poured in with a lot of doubts, and which I felt happy actually to make them clarify, get it clarified. The students had a lot of interaction of the entire session of 4 hours of session, at least almost more than half an hour of doubt session was there, which I felt happy to clarify the doubts. The initiative which has been taken up by JNTU is very good, but the real utilization only comes when the private engineering colleges or colleges affiliated under JNTU Hyderabad, they effectively use it. The software, as what I have said, which is accessible through the portal, has a facility where faculty can be able to individually log in. They can have their own account where they can be able to create their own questionnaires, they can be able to upload their own notes, and they can take the mass of 60 or 120 students into the e-classroom sessions where the students can interact with the teacher's notes, with the notes which is given by the experts, which is already recorded or dumped as an e-content into the portal that can be accessed by the students. End of it, the evaluation can also be done by this teacher individually located in the remote engineering colleges, where the teacher himself can be able to create the questionnaire or the questionnaire which is already available that the student can be able to answer, and effectively it can be utilized so that a good amount of knowledge transfer, effective knowledge transfer can happen. And that happens to be an advantage, as what I have said to you, that faculty member as well as student member can be able to access the portal 24/7. And apart from that, what I can be able to see is many of the rural engineering colleges, they don't have senior faculty, because many of the senior faculty, they would wish to migrate to city Hyderabad, and it becomes inevitable for the rural engineering colleges to have inexperienced junior faculty members. In all such given conditions, JNTU has given this good opportunity where the senior faculty member can be ported remotely from a city to a remote area where the senior faculty member can be able to directly interact. More so, all the videos which have been shot are dumped again in the portal, which the faculty as well as the student members can be able to get it effectively utilized. And the emails or the mobile phone numbers which are shared by the senior faculty members, to which the students as well as the faculty members can interact. Now, because the classroom, four-walled classroom interaction is not there, the students, they feel very effectively to utilize. Many a times students will have the fear, sometimes inhibition to ask the doubts when they are in a four-walled classroom. They may not be able to ask, but when the video lecture happens, definitely they would like to reveal their difficulties with the guest faculty or the senior faculty who are on the video shoot. The interactive session happened to be very good. That was the most liking point which I have seen. And the video actually is captured by high definition systems installed both at JNTU Hyderabad office as well as at Globarena offices, and the quality of video happens to be very good. But the only difficulty is the management needs to really support this at individual affiliated colleges, where they have to have a dedicated 20 Mbps bandwidth internet facility and a separate computer, so that they can be, the material can be dumped into it. And you need to have a good video capturing facility as well as audio facilities. The only difficulty which I have found through the video sessions, interactive sessions, is that there was a lot of problem connecting this audio video equipment at the engineering colleges, at the affiliated engineering colleges in the rural areas, because of which either the faculty member or the student could not be able to effectively interact. But somehow or otherwise they have tried to manage it, but there was a lot of blur and there was a lot of glitch in it. But if there is a kind of a dedication shown by the management to effectively set up such a kind of an equipment, it is going to really be of good use. I really thank the JNTU Hyderabad, the members of JNTU Hyderabad, the Vice Chancellor, the Registrar, the Director who is taking up this work effectively with the JNTU Hyderabad eLSDM, Dr. Madhavi Lata. It's a really encouraging program, but I want this to be sustained continuously. It should be there, and effectively it should be either promoted by the principals of individual engineering colleges, by the managements of individual engineering colleges, and effectively used by the faculty members, so that they can be able to promote quality education among the students. Thank you for giving me the opportunity. God bless you.